The easiest way to think about Loop is it's a reboot of the Milkman, but in a very modern way, where it meets all of your favorite products, both large and small manufacturers, with an elevation of design that is embedded into your favorite retailers' in-store and e-commerce experiences. Loop allows you to experience not just reusable products, but ones that are elevated in function and design. The idea for Loop has been 15 years in the making. The company I run, TerraCycle, across 21 countries in the world, has been trying to eliminate the idea of waste by recycling things that are really hard to recycle, from dirty diapers to used cigarette butts, as well as integrating waste back into consumer products like ocean plastic into the Head & Shoulders bottle or Herbal Essence bottle, and many other examples. The idea for Loop came up by trying to think about how do we solve waste at the root cause, because recycling really only solves waste at the symptom level. Now, we think that the root cause of waste is disposability. But we also have to honor the virtues of disposability, which are bringing us products in an ever convenient and incredibly affordable way. Loop does that by shifting who owns the package, because we really don't want to own our used packaging in the end. When we look at Loop's environmental impact versus the disposable alternatives of these products, we have to really compare apples to apples. So let's first do that with e-commerce through Loop. So today, if you order, let's say, your favorite shampoo product online, that starts by having to take oil from the ground, combine it potentially with some recycled plastic, and make it into a bottle. That already has some transportation on it. Then it has to be transported to a factory where it gets filled with shampoo. That then gets transported to a distribution center, which when you place your order is then put into a small parcel, typically in cardboard and maybe some bubble wrap, and sent to your home. Then, after you've enjoyed using that product, you have an empty bottle, which hopefully you will recycle, and if you don't, will end up in a landfill, and if you recycle, will end up in a recycling center, which again, either way, requires a bunch of transportation. So that is the life cycle of a shampoo bottle that you buy online. And every time you buy a new one, you incur the same environmental impact over and over and over. Now with Loop, everything is the same except the bottle is made from higher grade durable materials like aluminum. Now that is absolutely more environmentally costly when it's made for the first time. But when you send back your used bottle to us, it gets cleaned and refilled, which means we don't have to make a bottle again. And that takes the environmental impact down considerably. Even accounting for the transportation that's involved, by the second use, the impact of a durable bottle becomes equal to a disposable one. By the fifth use, it gets to about 50% better, and by the 11th use, close to 75% better. Now these numbers will vary on a product by product basis, but that is roughly what you'll see on something like a shampoo bottle moving from single-use HDPE, which is a type of plastic, to multi-use aluminum. Now, it never gets perfect, never gets to 100% better, because there's still some cost in collecting it and cleaning it. So the absolutely best product is the product that you don't buy. Loop is a global platform, and as such will be launching all over the world in the coming years. So the best thing you can do is go to loopstore.com and register so that you're the first to know when it comes to your city anywhere in the world. Concretely, Loop will go live on May 14th in Paris and its suburbs, then on May 21st, servicing all of New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, then in September in London, early 2020 in Toronto, middle of 2020 in Germany and Tokyo, and a number of other cities we will announce soon.